In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view filled Google Forms. If you've ever created a Google form and wondered how to access the responses, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together in just a few steps. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Google Forms URL, or simply searching for it through Google. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your existing forms. Choose the form you want to view responses for. For this example, let's say you have a form asking participants to select Apple products from a list. Once you've opened your chosen form, you may want to ensure all important questions are marked as required. This means that respondents must provide an answer before submitting the form, ensuring you get all the necessary details from everyone who participates. To do this, click on a specific question and look for the Required toggle, usually located at the bottom right of the question box. It's a small slider, and when it's toggled on, it'll turn into a different color, indicating that it is now a mandatory question. Now that your form is appropriately set up, let's move on to viewing the responses. Locate and click on the tab labeled Responses. You'll find this tab at the top of the form editor, right next to the Questions tab. As you click on Responses, you're immediately taken to a page where all responses are neatly organized for you. On the Responses tab, you can view how the data has been filled out in different visual formats. You'll see a summary of responses portrayed in graphs and charts, which provide a nice overview. This is particularly useful if you want to get a quick visual grasp of the results. In addition to the summary view, you have the option to take a more detailed look at individual responses. Click on the Individual tab within the Responses section to scroll through each response separately, one at a time. This view allows you to dive deeper into each participant's answers. Remember that Google Forms also allows you to export these responses into a Google Sheets document. Just click on the small green Sheets icon, and this will generate a spreadsheet with all your collected data. This is a great step if you intend to perform more complex data analysis or simply want to keep a detailed record of all responses. And that's it. You've successfully viewed responses for your Google form. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently gather and analyze feedback or data for any purpose. Whether it's for academic research, customer feedback, or general surveys, Google Forms makes it easy to collect and understand your data. Thanks for watching, and happy form viewing.